Hey, so I have a new method for you to make money online. This is absolutely easy to do. What you're going to be doing is you're going to watch some videos and you're going to make money for doing that. It sounds really great. Well, it is. It's absolutely easy to do. This is a new method that can help you to make money online simply by watching videos. Instead of just watching videos at home and just doing it for fun, you can actually make some money for yourself. So what you need to know about this is that it's absolutely free. So you don't have to worry about spending money to do this. Don't worry about that. It's free. It's available worldwide with the method that I'm going to be showing you. So all you need to do, watch this video all the way to the end, because the mistake you're going to make is you're just going to see the website and you're going to go and try it out for yourself, and you're not going to make any money, because there's a way you need to do this. So I'm going to take my time to explain to you how it works. So just don't skip the video. And you can decide to do this on your computer or on your phone. It's all up to you. You don't need an expensive device to do this. You just need an average phone and computer, and all you need is internet access, and you can make yourself a lot of money. Now, before I show you this awesome method, please do me a favor, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click that subscribe button, that red button. It's absolutely free. You don't pay any money to subscribe. Just subscribe and I'd really appreciate it. And turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you can easily watch my videos. So what I want you to go on to is a website called Volcano. It's volcano.com. So Volcano is basically a platform where you can watch different kinds of videos and make money. It's movies, videos, all kinds of TV shows. You can watch gaming videos and so on and so forth. Absolutely easy to do. I just need you to make sure that you create an account, which is absolutely free as well. So when you're on Volcano, you'll see a bunch of different movies that you can watch. You can either go onto TV shows, you can decide to watch gaming videos. It's all up to you. So it would look something like this. So you would decide which video you want to watch. So once you watch the video, I would advise you to actually watch gaming videos, because they're very short. They're short compared to movies, and you can watch many gaming videos. And from what I've realized, you make actually more money watching gaming videos. So you can just go onto games and watch gaming videos. So once you are done watching your video, they're going to give you a platform over here which they would like you to actually give an emoji concerning the video you just watched. So the mistake people will make is that they're going to click on here which says skip this round. When you skip this round, you're not going to make your money. Trust me, because what they require from you is not you watching the video, it's actually your feedback. So the feedback you give the video is actually the money you're going to make. So it says hot or not, which means that if it's hot, it means you like the video. If it's not, it means you just didn't like the video. So you want to make sure that instead of clicking skip this round and going to the next thing, you want to make sure that you either choose hot or not. Hot, simplifying that it was awesome, and not simplifying that nah, you didn't really like this video. So make sure you choose one of these. Then you want to add a couple of emojis concerning what you just watched. So if it made you excited, happy, or sad, surprised, or if it made you angry, scared. So you want to make sure that you actually choose certain emojis to represent the video that you just watched. This is very important. The mistake that you're going to make, as I say, you're going to say, hey, skip this round, which you can do, but actually they actually want this from you, and that's why they're actually going to be paying you, because they want you to give them feedback. So if you're going to decide to skip this round, well, you're not really doing anything, because it's not just about watching the video. It's actually they want to know how you feel about the video, so that they can know if this is a good video or it's not. And then, as you can see over here, the more flow, get more flow. You can see hot or not, this is the amount of points that they actually give you, 10 to 100. When you put an emoji, they'll give you 75 per emoji that you put. So you want to make sure you put as many as you possibly can. And when you tag it, you get 100 points. So how does the point system work? Basically, you're not just going to rely on points, you actually want to make the money. So basically, $5 is equal to 5,000 flow points, $20 is 20,000, $50 is 50,000, $100 is 100,000. Now you might think that, hey, this is going to take forever, this is going to take so long, this can take forever. Nah, you don't have to worry, because I'm going to show you a secret right now. So if they take you, for example, to a gaming video that is situated on YouTube, for example, I'm going to give you an example of a gaming video that they could take you to. So let's say, for example, they took you to maybe a video about Fortnite. So let's just choose a random video over here. So I'm just basically giving you a type of video that they can take you to, so that you can get an idea of how you can actually make the money so much faster. So let's say, for example, this video. So we have a Fortnite video that they could take you to. There's a high possibility they're going to take you to a Fortnite video if you are in the gaming category. So over here you can see this is the video, crazy Fortnite trick shot with the new car, best of Fortnite 245. So, okay, as you can see, this is the video here. What I would like you to do, what you want to do is you want to click on this icon over here. You want to make sure that the quality, you make it to 144, which is the lowest. The reason you're making it on 144 is because you don't want to take so much of your internet, of your data. So just to make sure that the video runs much faster, then what you want to go to is you want to click on playback speed. When you click on playback speed, you want to click on 2, which means that the video is going to play 2 times as fast as it normally would. So instead of you watching this video in 9 minutes and 25 seconds, you're going to watch it in about, let's say, 4 minutes and something seconds. So as you can see, it's just running so much faster. We can see the quality is not so high because we don't really need the quality to be high, because we're not really interested in the video. We just want to make sure that we have viewed the video. So you get the picture of what I'm trying to say. So once you have definitely watched the video, that's when they're going to provide you with this option over here, where you want to make sure that it's hot or not. You want to make sure that you want to put an emoji so that you can actually get more points. As you can see, emojis 75 points. Now you can do this as often as you want throughout the day, so that you can actually make a lot of points. From what I've noticed, you can make maybe 10,000 to 20,000 flow points per day. Depends on how consistent you are with this website that I'm showing you. And what you need to know is that you need to sign up for an account, email address and password. Now you see here it says US residents only, but I did mention this is available worldwide. So what I want you to do is you need to use something that we call a VPN. You want to go onto protonvpn.com. What is a VPN? A VPN is just a tool that you can use to actually change your location online, which means that you can actually get a location that's in the United States, so that you can actually be able to create an account on Volcano. So over here, what you want to do, you want to click on Get Proton VPN now. Now you want to choose the free option over here, Get Free, so that you don't have to pay for it, of course. Okay, so you want to create an account. Absolutely easy. Just put in your username, password, confirm your password, email address, and you want to create your account. Bam. And what I want to show you over here, let me show you quickly. So you're going to see that there's so many countries available for this. Want to see all features, see all servers. As we can see over here, these are all the countries available. You can see United States is available over here, which means that you can use the United States, which means that you can be able to sign up for Volcano. So I hope this makes sense to you, because it's really working for me. It's working for so many people, and I just want to make sure that you make the most out of it. If it's very confusing, or you have any confusion or any question that you need answers to, please comment your questions down below in the comment section right now. I will make sure to get an answer to you as soon as possible, and just let me know how it goes for you if you are interested in this, and comment down below from which country you're actually coming from, so that I know if I can find some methods to make online money for you based on the country you are in. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. Like this video please, and turn on the post notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Cheers.